Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add a blog to your Odoo website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go there and get started with signing up for an account. So you're going to need an account. If you do not already have one, just go and create one. If you have one, go ahead and log in normally right here. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page from where we can get started accessing the configuration tab. Right here we have the site settings and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to get started setting up a blog using the Odoo documentation page right here for setting up a blog. So as you can see, Odoo blog lets you manage blog posts and pages and customize them with a website builder. So what you're going to do is install the blog application by clicking new on the website builder and then selecting blog post and clicking install. So what we're going to do is go to the configuration tab right here and open up the App Store. From the App Store we can search for what we are looking for, and you're going to search for blog. As you can see here, we have a blog option that's going to enable you to publish blog posts, announces, news, and you can click the install button. So you're going to install it, follow the steps step by step how to install it, and then you can follow the rest of the documentation page right here to go and take a look in great detail what you can use with this blog app and how you can get started setting up, especially for your website, how to get started making blog posts and so on. So that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.